It's a 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Equal parts suave and stout, this multitasking Silverado is a powerful personality. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, manual tilting steering column, front tow hooks, gas pressurized shocks, and LED low and high beam headlights. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.